Hello students, now we will see completely formed cell wall and its composition. So, initially cell plate is modified into middle lamellae. So, we will write first one between two cells. This is first cell and this is second cell. So, it will be middle lamellae. Towards the cell side, the next structure formed is primary cell wall. Primary cell wall, it is produced or synthesized by the secretions of the cytoplasmic content of the cells. So this is primary cell wall. Next structure will be three types of layers which forms into secondary cell wall. These three are secondary cell wall. These are divided into three sub-layers, that is, first one which is towards primary cell wall is S1 secondary cell wall. This is S2 secondary cell wall. This is S3 secondary cell wall. There are three sub-layers in secondary cell wall. Those are S1, S2 and S3. Towards the plasma membrane of the cell will be present the tertiary cell wall. Tertiary cell wall. In this side also, in these cells also, the same types of layers. Secondary cell wall 1, secondary cell wall 2, secondary cell wall 3. This is S1, S2, S3. Next. If you see some points regarding the cell wall layers, first one, middle lamellae is made up of or composed of calcium pectate and magnesium, etc. There are some other types of chemical substances also which makes middle lamellae stable. Second one, primary cell wall. It is made of more hemicellulose and less cellulose. We can say this is a characteristic feature of meristematic cells. Is seen majorly in meristematic cells. Next one, secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall is made of more cellulose and less hemicellulose. This type of secondary cell wall is seen mostly in permanent cells. Seen majorly in permanent cells. Types of plant tissues or cells other than the meristematic cells are called permanent cells like parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, epidermis, vascular tissues like xylem, phloem, etc. So at secondary cell wall area, there will be some accumulations during the secondary growth of the plant tissue. Those can be suberin or lignin, cutin, etc. During secondary growth of plant, some extra accumulations can be seen like suberin, lignin, etc. Now, tertiary cell wall. Tertiary cell wall is composed of, or it is having some accumulations of lignin, xylene, etc. These are some types of substances that does not allow water molecule. So the impermeable substances to water can be considered as lignin, etc. So secondary cell wall is seen in case of permanent cells, even tertiary cell wall also in permanent cells. Then what are these gaps? Primary cell wall and middle lamellae together forms into some special gap-like structures called as pits. So these are pits. So these pits are of two types. So this one is also pit, this one is also pit. Now, primary cell wall and the middle lamellae together form special gaps or special structures called pits. These pits are of two types. When they are like this, with a straight line, those are called as simple pits. But when they are just like a dome shaped like, these are called broad pits. Simple pits are characteristic feature of angiosperms. Broad pit is the characteristic feature of gymnosperms.